Hello and namaste everyone. Now, uh, my topic is creating a contour map by using Quantum GIS and Google Earth. So, it's a very easy without any digitalizations. So, we can create a contour map with the help of Google Earth and QGIS. We know how to make a setup of QGIS and we know the setup of Google Earth. So we will start from this Google Earth. Now I have make a setup of Google Earth on my desktop icon. I just double click the Google Earth. The Google Earth portal will be open. Before that we have to uh, do our work with the folder base. That's why I create a one folder here. So new folder, the folder which we name contours. Okay, now my folder is empty and I just open a folder of Google Earth. So suppose I want to create a contour map with a specific area or my study area, which is Mahabaleshwar, and Mahabaleshwar, just I search it here. Now so here is a Mahabaleshwar area and I want a contour map of these regions. So without any topo sheets we can create a contour map. Suppose this is the area and I want to create a contour map. So first of all there are some tools in Google Earth. So we are using this add path tool. Just click on it and here we are going to name the that's path our contour. So select the color. So I select here is color. Okay, then the cursor in a block style and just drag this in a corner, these windows in a corner. Suppose these areas contour map, suppose here the river basin is there, and these are the map which is near Polatpur and other Kapada and Lohare. So these map contour map which I want, we are using digitalization. Just click the dots with randomly on the study area on the region. Okay, I just clicking this area. We select the area, which areas contour we want. So in this way we select the areas contour, these areas contour map which I want. So just clicking on the area, click randomly. No need to digitalize any road, no need to digitalize any river, no need to digitalize any we can say any path. So without any digitalizations, so we can create a map. So in this way, just make a dot here. Cover most of the area with the point. So we will take in this way just random number and we will cover most of area. So in this way we covered most of the area with the point. Just drag this window here and click on OK. So here is an contour dot file generate. Okay, then go to the file and save it. Save as a save place as, click on it. So give us the path, the folder where we create the folder on desktop, and our folder name is contour. So the file name may be contour. Okay, but save type we have to change, that is KML file. So Google Earth file save type, which is extension is KML, and in QGIS there are two types of imaginaries. One is raster and second is vector. The raster image save type file is JPG, bitmap and TIFF, and the vector file which we create, the save type of the vector file which is chef file. Now in Google Earth the save type file which is KML. So we must have known this the extension save type. So I save here the file, my file is saved. Okay, so then I close this Google Earth and open the browser of Google Chrome. Here I just type gpsvisualization.com elevation. Assign dem elevation data of the coordinate GPS visualization. So click on it. So these are the visualization sites, and we want to convert this KML image to the chef file. So upload file, choose the file. Now our file which is on desktop, contour, this is file which we created in Google Earth, and open. So our file which is uploaded, and convert this file in elevation, just click on it, the file will be automatically converted. We are going to convert our file in GPS visualization. Look here, click to download the file which is totally converted, and now we can download this file. So click on this, click download. When I click it, the total file which is automatically downloaded. I just close this window, then go to the PC and go to download. Here I found the file which is converted into a shape format. Just cut it and paste in our folder which we created. Now here are two types of file. One file which is created in Google Earth, and one file which is created in GPS visualizations elevation form. So these two files we have. Now we are open the QGIS software. In this software we need some tools. So by installing tools, we are using this option, that is a plugin, and manage and install plugin. So we need two tools. One is here we are going to search the tools, that is GPS. So this GPS tool which is I have already installed on my PC, but just click on and install it. And second tool which is contour tool, contour plugin tool, just click. We get the detail about the tools, and here they say reinstall, but I already installed these tools, so I close this window. So these two tools are symbol on my taskbar. This is the GPS tool and these are the contour tool. So click the GPS tool, and when it's come, the windows come out, come to GPS conversation. So GPS input file click on browsers, and our file which is on a desktop, contour. So automatically we see the file. Just click the GPS file which we converted, open it. Okay, then conversion, click here to a waypoint of a track, not route. Then GPS output file, suppose we create a file, we have to give him the output location where we can save our file. So save as, click on, automatically our folder which is open, this PC, desktop and contour. So we gave us the output name of the file to the file, that is maybe contour or any. Okay, so these are the output location. Again layer name, suppose contour. Okay, then click on OK. So when we click on OK, we'll see our clicking point, a random point will be displayed, and here is another a layers create, that is a contour. So we want to change some this symbol style and colors. So right click on contour and go to the properties. In this properties, go to symbolization and click on simple mark. Here are some elements, that size, just we want to reduce the size, and we want to change the color, apply and OK. So these are the points which we digitalize on Google Earth, and we convert or import these points in a QGIS. Okay, now we are using the second tool which is contour. Click on the contour. So the point layer which is there is an automatic come data value, just click here and type elevation. Okay, and then add one and close it. So the automatically contour which is generated, suppose I uncheck the contour, we will see there is a contour layer which is automatically generated. So we want a specific area's contour, so it is a task for more researcher. These are the very easiest steps, so we can generate a contour with a specific area. Now suppose we want to see this area, which area we generate the contours or name the contours. So that we right click here and we go to the properties and then go to the label, click on here a single label. Okay, then write here the elevation numbers and apply and OK. We will get the actually contour line number. Okay, now one more tools we want to install here. So we will go to again plugin, manage and install plugin. So we want one tool, that is here is a tool which name is Quick Map Service. So which I already installed. Just I click here Quick Map Service. So Quick Map Service tool, we need these tools and install it. Now just here are the three tools. Click on Quick Map Service, OSM, and click on the cycle map or landscape map. See, here is a landscape map of the area we seen in a Google Earth. Here is a river. These are the small mountain and its contour range. Okay, so we will get the perfect map of our perfect region with the help of Google Earth and QGIS. So Thank you for watching, and I will request you, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.